Masjid-e-Nabi, Mosque of the Prophet, is one of the most sacred and historic mosques in the world, located in Medina, Saudi Arabia. It's a revered site for Muslims and a place of immense spiritual significance. Key features. 1. Burial site of Prophet Muhammad. The mosque is the final resting place of the Prophet Muhammad, making it a deeply revered site for Muslims. 2. Original mosque built by Prophet Muhammad. The mosque was originally built by the Prophet Muhammad himself, and has been expanded and renovated over the centuries. 3. Architectural significance. The mosque features a blend of traditional and modern architectural styles, with stunning designs, intricate tile work, and beautiful calligraphy. Importance. 1. Second holiest site in Islam. Masjid-e-Nabi is considered the second holiest site in Islam, after the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca. 2. Pilgrimage site. Millions of Muslims visit the mosque during Umrah and Hajj pilgrimages, seeking spiritual enlightenment and blessings. 3. Spiritual significance. The mosque is a symbol of Islamic heritage and a source of inspiration for Muslims worldwide. History. 1. Built in 622 CE. The mosque was built by Prophet Muhammad shortly after his migration to Medina. 2. Expansions and renovations. The mosque has undergone numerous expansions and renovations over the centuries, with significant contributions from various Islamic rulers and leaders. Experience. 1. Serene atmosphere. The mosque provides a peaceful and serene atmosphere, conducive to prayer, reflection, and spiritual growth. 2. Community gathering. The mosque serves as a hub for community gathering, prayer, and Islamic learning. Masjid-e-Nabi is a place of immense historical, cultural, and spiritual significance, attracting millions of visitors and pilgrims each year.
Masjid-e-Nabi, located in Medina, Saudi Arabia, holds immense historical importance in Islam. Here are some key aspects. 1. Built by Prophet Muhammad. The mosque was originally built by the Prophet Muhammad himself in 622 CE, shortly after his migration to Medina. 2. Center of Islamic Community. Masjid-e-Nabi served as the central gathering place for the early Muslim community, where they would pray, learn, and discuss important matters. 3. Burial site of Prophet Muhammad. The mosque is the final resting place of the Prophet Muhammad, making it a deeply revered site for Muslims. 4. Expansion and renovations. Over the centuries, the mosque has undergone numerous expansions and renovations, reflecting the growth and development of the Islamic community. 5. Symbol of Islamic unity. Masjid-e-Nabi represents the unity and solidarity of the Muslim community, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. 6. Historical significance. The mosque has played a significant role in shaping Islamic history, culture, and architecture, influencing the design and construction of mosques worldwide. 7. Pilgrimage site. Millions of Muslims visit Masjid-e-Nabi during Umrah and Hajj pilgrimages, seeking spiritual enlightenment and blessings. Masjid-e-Nabi's historical importance extends beyond its architectural beauty, representing a pivotal moment in Islamic history and a symbol of the faith's enduring legacy. The construction of Masjid-e-Nabi involved several key figures and groups throughout its history. Here's a breakdown. Initial construction, 622 CE*. Prophet Muhammad** personally oversaw the construction of the mosque after purchasing the land from two orphans, Saul and Suhail. Abu Ayyub al-Ansari** provided financial support for the land purchase. Muslim community**. The construction process spanned 7 months, with the mosque serving as a community center, court of law, and religious school. Expansions and renovations**. Umar ibn al-Khattab, 634 to 644 CE**, expanded the mosque, adding new gates and increasing its height. Uthman ibn Affan, 644 to 656 CE, asterisk, rebuilt the mosque, incorporating stone columns and teakwood in the ceiling. Al-Walid I, 705 to 715 CE, asterisk, significantly enlarged the mosque, using Byzantine materials and craftsmanship.